Hello, friends. We all are concerned about our life. Lot of questions are in our mind. Why do we suffer? And certain things we feel very bad because some are earning, they are happy, they are enjoying the life. But we couldn't. Why? There must be a reason behind all this thing. One thing we have to realize what we are suffering is due to the karma or the action which we have created or done yesterday or years back or in the past lives. So, there are three types of karma. One is sanchita karma, another one is prarabdha karma, and the third one is akamya karma. The sanchita karma is the action or the karma which we have done in the various previous births. And prarabdha karma is the karma which we have done or created from this birth till date. The thought, deed, action, whatever the things we have done is the prarabdha karma, and akamya karma is nothing but the karmas which is going to happen. So, if we are aware about our karmas before we commit a thing or we perform a thing, we should realize what is going to happen, or we should introspect what are the things that might happen, that might cause problem, maybe in the present or in the future. So introspection of thoughts also is a main thing which helps us to withdraw our karmas or not involving in certain karmas. So the karma or the action we have once we have performed, so the result we are bound to suffer. So one thing is that the purpose of our life is to liberate our soul. The purpose of life and the achievement of life are both are entirely different. That we have to realize. So the purpose of life is to develop our consciousness to the highest and liberate our soul from the birth, n numbers of birth which we have taken because we are not aware about our past life or the past births. So as to develop our consciousness, we need to do the sadhana or the process of cleansing our karmic imprints, which is imprinted in our each and every cells. We have major chakras and panchakoshas. The chakras are Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anagat, Visuddhi, Ajna, and Sahasra. And we have Panchakoshas, namely Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Manomaya Kosh, Jnanamaya Kosh, and Anandamaya Kosh. Our previous births, karmic deposits are imprinted in the Jnanamaya Kosha and the Manomaya Kosha. In process, in gradually it penetrates into our Manomaya Kosha. From the Pranamaya, it enters the Jnanamaya to Pranamaya, and to the Manomaya it enters, and the thought occurs in your mind. According to that habit or that imprints in our intracellular memories, we get desires, or the attachment to some things, and we perform a karma. And each and every cells are registered with our thought, deed, and actions, and that become a habit. And when we struggle with the habit, always the struggle between the wisdom and the habit, always the habit wins. So, what is the solution for getting rid of the impurities or the karmic depositations from our karma or from our life? So, we have to perform sadhana, just like meditation, introspection, forgiveness, gratitude, and unconditional love. We have to practice daily basis and release our karmic contaminations from our systems. And one thing is also there, the planets are connected with our each and every chakras. Muladhara is connected, or the base chakra is connected with the Saturn or the Shani. Swadhisthana is connected with the Venus or the Shukra, and Manipura or the solar plexus is connected with the Mars or the Kuja, and Anagata or the heart chakra is connected with the Sun or the Surya, and Visuddhi is connected with the Jupiter or the Guru. Third eye is connected with Mercury or the Buddha, and crown is connected with the Moon. So when all these chakras, each and chakras are balanced, and the planetary radiations which we receive from the planets will be balanced, and by doing the healing or the practices in the daily basis or the meditation, we can harmonize our chakras and harmonize the radiations from our universe, the planets. So a balanced life is need to reduce our karmic contaminations. The food we eat, it also matters our mind. So we need to take sleep, rest, work, food, and also control our thought forces. So when everything is balanced, we can lead a harmonious life. We have to realize that the desire does not give us results. The desire plus action gives us result. So we have to realize that we are the creator of our own destiny, because what we think or the thought forces, it vibrates and it sends a vibration energy level to the universe, and as you vibrate, you assimilate accordingly. So better practice spiritual practice, just like meditation, healing, forgiveness, gratitude, unconditional practices. Do it in daily basis. You have to realize that we have got free will, which the nature have provided to us. We have got the choice to choose our destiny or the path. So we create the hell or the heaven. The path which we follow leads to hell and heaven. In simple words, I would like to say that we are the creator of our own destiny. Thank you for watching this video. May the divine bless you.